Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again this week. I'm doing another unboxing. I haven't done one for a while. I have been really looking forward to this one for a very, very long time, and it's the almighty Thanos from the Avengers movie, Infinity War. I can't wait to open this one up, guys. Let's have a look. As always, careful with the knives at home. So this is another Kotobukiya. I know I always do these ones, but these are always my favourites. I will have 2 of these left over in the store, so I'll put the link in the description below, so if you guys want to go check them out. Oh, this one's a big one. Okay. So, it comes in multiple pieces, as you can see. I would have thought maybe for a bigger one, they might have just put it all one piece, or at least 2 pieces, but they've actually made this one multi. Loud. Alright, so we got the base. Catch Luna. There we go. One of his purple arms. That's got the gauntlet. There you go. So this one will go along with the Black Panther unboxing that we did recently, which you can probably not see in the background over there somewhere. So, pretty happy with what it's looking like at the moment. He's actually pretty tall. Okay, this is interesting. I've just freaked out. There we go. So, detailing is actually not too bad. It's actually pretty nice. Let's see how easy it is to put on the stand. Sorry guys, we kind of lost the focus there, but there you have it. Big ass Thanos. He looks pretty cool. Like I said, guys, there will be 2 of these in the store. I will put the description down below. He's actually a really cool one. So this one's going to get pride of place in my collection. All the details will be on the website. It'll give you the heights, shipping costs, etc. So if you want one of these, hurry up and get one. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next week.